Keeping venomous reptiles is an unforgiving hobby, requiring proper training and lots of experience. One simple mistake can be the difference between life and death. Remember, the most venomous snake in the world is the one that just bit you. There are no venomous snakes with training wheels. Just because you see Viper Keeper handle snakes a certain way does not mean you should try it too.
Well, sort of at the right place at the right time. You see this Saw Scale Viper just beginning her shed, and the big mama is out of the way in the back there and doesn't look too interested in coming over to visit, so we can take this moment to watch this gal shed. Actually, this is a mother and daughter pair. The father's down below with an unrelated female, but they have yet to produce any young. And not that I'm interested in bunches of baby saw scales. I'll keep track of the pointy end, and you can watch the shedding in progress. Remember, these are arid land snakes, so these guys have to produce extra moisture underneath their skin layers to get the shed off in one piece. The room is currently 60% humidity, which is probably a little bit more than they're normally used to, and since it was in shed, I put out a little water for them, since neither one has recently fed. This is generally a slow process with other snakes, but she seems to be moving things right along, and of course I'm hoping to get an intact shed out of her. So we'll see what goes down here. Here's the actual front of where the shed's coming off the scales. See how carefully she works that, gets that off. And I might have to get out of dodge when the pointy end emerges from behind the rock there, because she is a bit of an aggressive feeder, and I see Mom starting to move now, and she's also a bit of an aggressive feeder, and these are certainly two snakes that I do not want to get bitten by. Now the pointy end is emerging from the rock. Things seem to be progressing really well. Now, unfortunately, Mom, my hand is right over that baby. Let's hope she doesn't poke her head up and decide to get me. Hi, Mom. How are you doing? Huh? There's that. Is that something I can eat? Look. Well, that's very nice of you to sort of help your daughter shed. But please don't lie on the shedding so I can't get it out. Okay? She's one of my favorite snakes to photograph. And she just has these gorgeous scale patterns in her face, and they're all very nicely pronounced, and she's got beautiful eyes. One of my favorite snakes to photograph with the still camera. I remember when you were just born. You were just a little worm. You were just a little worm. Okay, almost there. And you have more golden eyes rather than platinum, unlike your mother. Okay, the pointy end is over there, and here it gets a little tough because it's so thin that it really doesn't get much traction. Very nicely done. Okay, now I will attempt to retrieve it, and sure enough, Mom has made it difficult. Oh, come on. I've seen these guys strike and try to eat their shed, only because it's moving and it triggers a feeding response. There you go, a perfect saw scale shedding. Okay, let me close that up, pause the camera, clean it up, stretch it out, and have a look. Well, here's a very beautiful Echis Soshuruki shedding. And you can clearly see that that's a female. Let me lie it down so you can actually see that. See, it's actually pretty easy to tell that that's a female. See how abruptly that drops off? Definitely not a male. Very, very nice, perfect shedding. That's the male Aturi rhino, and he has decided to spontaneously sniffle at me. Okay, everybody's making a liar out of me tonight. Did you just not sniffle a few times, huh? No? You're gonna be silent. That's what make Viper Keeper look stupid. Alright, you'll get yours. Oh, yeah! You didn't like that, huh? I'll get you. Yes, I will. Oh, yeah, absolutely. No question about it. You're going to get clobbered. Are you going to eat for me? Or are you too busy with the big girl there, huh? Yeah. Oh, I see. Would you like one of those chicks? Would you like one of those chicks? I'll see what I can do. Yeah, okay. Gotta be careful because the Aturi will eat them. No? You don't think so, huh? Okay. No? Oh? No? I see a Tory coming, so that would mean trouble if the two of you have got into a tussle over a chick, so to speak. Yeah, I know you smell it, Tori. I know you smell it. Hello, how are you? Huh? And I suppose you'll be angry if I don't let you have it, won't you? You're in hunting mode now. You're not going to sniffle. You want that? Easy, because you're going to poke yourself in the face. Tori usually doesn't get the little chicks because it's like a snack. No, I don't have anything, Tori. It's on the floor there, so you can just gobble it up. I don't have it. Use your other senses besides your vision. Now, come on. I don't want to have to put my hand close to get your attention switched, because there's enough of you to come out exceedingly fast. What I think I'll do is I'll just shut this and let her figure it out on her own. Yeah, you are a sniffler, huh? Yeah, you're just a funny guy. Huh? Are you gonna eat for me, huh? Are you gonna eat for me? I know she'll eat. Here. No, come on. Don't be so shy. Hi, Tori. I know you'll eat. That's not a question. He needs to eat. Come on. Come on, bud. Yeah, that's right. Come on. Yeah, come on. You can try it. It'll taste yummy. Yeah, come on. Come on, bud. You gotta get some food in that gut. Yeah, come on. Come on. Here. Come on. Yeah, you can eat it. Yes, you can. Come on. Stubborn rhino vipers. Come on, bud. Yeah, I know your language. You can't not talk to me. Yeah, come on. Come on, before the big girl grabs it. Come on. Come on, I know you're scared. Come on. Believe me, she's a lot more dangerous than I am. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on. Gotta be really careful with her there, because it would not be beyond her to make an all-out grab for the rodent. You can see that head moving ever so slightly. Come on, bud. Oh, yeah, I know you want to come over and eat it. Oh, yeah, I know. I know you've been deprived for a couple weeks now. That is the longest you've not eaten in a long time, huh? Yeah. I know. Oh, yeah, Tori, huh? Oh, you're gonna come right over here today, huh? Oh, you are hungry. Look at this. Do you guys think Tori's hungry? Usually, you know, she hangs back there and doesn't come forward. Now, I'm gonna back off because rhino vipers can go a lot further than you think. Hmm? Yeah, I know. You'd like that, wouldn't you? I bet you would, huh? I know, I hear you. Let me position this a little bit better so you don't hit the tongues. Now, you know the rules. If you make noise, the prey gets scared and moves away. Grr. You happy now? Huh? What about your friend, huh? What about your roomie? Don't you think he should have a chance? Hmm? No, you don't think so, huh? You want it all yourself. Alright. There you go. Ooh. A ferocious bite. Roar, roar, roar. I know, it's just bite size, isn't it? Huh? It's a small one. But I wasn't feeding you. I know you like the bigger ones. Oh, such a good one, huh? Look at that. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? No problem swallowing that puppy, huh? Oh, it's hardly a snack. Rhino snacks. Get them in your grocer freezer. There you go. Oh, that's nice, huh? Oh, look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Rhinos, if I had to only keep one snake, it would probably be a rhino viper. I know. Look at that. Oh, look at that meat hook. Huh? That's a pretty big one. And you got just some gorgeous horns on you. Yes, you do, baby. Oh, that's nice. Now that poor guy's hungry. Are you gonna let me feed him, huh? Huh? Okay. Well, I'm gonna let you finish that off and shut the door and go off and feed some other folks.